Ken Clark. I live in Smoot, Wyoming, and I've lived here for 68 years. Me and my daughter teamed up and increased a large herd of cows, and we just worked side by side.
I love being outdoors, and I love working with animals. I always have. My hopes for moving forward in future generations is that they realize that they're not making more ground, and we need to preserve the ag ground we do have. But my fear is that that's never going to happen.
When you're born to a family that has a property and a rural way of living, it is your responsibility to pass that from generation to generation to generation.